Hey, what's up, guys? Day 16, maybe? I don't know, I'm getting a little punch drunk. This thing's wearing me out, but I'm getting to where I can see the end of this project now. So here we go. We survived last night. Hurricane Ian blew through here. We had about 70-mile-an-hour winds and sideways rain blowing down the canal. Yosemite chain came up about a foot, but it's still blowing out there, still raining. Temperatures dropped down into the high 60s with all this cold water, but we're back in the garage working on hatches today, and not so much the install of the hatches, but the framing and support underneath. So let me run you through this real quick. Yesterday we got the seat post mounts in. We got the rod locker hatches built, the battery compartment hatches built. These are hatches that I bought that are watertight. This will be the live well, somewhere like this. That still needs a lot of work. This one is the dry compartment, where we'll have electrics coming through. These three hatches that I built, they'll be recessed down. This will be deck height, and then they'll be dropped down, I don't know, about 1.25 inches, so they'll be flush with the deck. Same thing up here. Got these watertight compartments for the dry storage. Today is going to be a lot of cutting and fitting and probably screwing everything in with a dry fit just to make sure it's going to look exactly like I want it. Then I'll take it back out and glue it back in. But this is going to be a fun day. Y'all stick around. Well, that's the end of the day, whatever the day is. I'm tired. I'll have to look back at the tape and figure out what day it is. I think it's 16, who knows. Anyway, today we got the fit and finish, at least the rough end for all of the compartments. It was very tedious, I can tell you that, but they seal up here with this gasket. I'll seal them. This will all be decked, and then they'll go down on top of the deck and be sealed to the deck, so they will be watertight. But that's the end of day 16. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get back on it and I'll work on the bow, getting the instrument panel framed in, and start to work on how I'm going to actually get that taken care of. I got to hold off on the live well plumbing and the miscellaneous compartment until I get the TB Nation live well kit and the safety kit that has the bilge pump and the lights in it. I want to make sure I don't get too far ahead of myself, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.